friends, today we're reading In the Rain with Baby Duck by Amy Hest, illustrated by Jill Barton. This is a new book. It's Zachary got it for his birthday. We got it because it was the first library book we checked out together last summer. So I got it for him for his birthday. I really loved the illustrations. At first I thought it was going to rain today on Tuesday, but it's looking like it's going to be nice. So if you like this one, read it again on maybe Thursday when it rains. Pit-pat, pit-a-pat, pit-a-pit-a-pat. Oh, the rain came down. It poured and poured. Baby Duck was mad. She did not like walking in the rain. But it was Pancake Sunday, a duck family tradition, and Baby loved pancakes. And she loved Grandpa, who was waiting on the other side of town. What a nice duck family. Pit-a-pat, pit-a-pat, pit-a-pit-a-pat. Follow us, step lively. Mr. and Mrs. Duck left the house arm in arm. Wet feet, wailed Baby. Don't dally, dear. Don't drag behind, called Mr. Duck. Wet face. Water in my eyes, pouted Baby. Mrs. Duck pranced along. See how the rain rolls off your back? Mud, muttered Baby. Mud, mud, mud. I don't remember, friends, if it was last year or if we were going to do it this year. Our bird experiment, where we drop water onto oil pastel like a bird. And we did that to show how birds have a special oil on their feathers that makes the rain roll right off. So that's kind of a cool fact in this book that Mrs. Duck brings up. She says, see how the rain rolls off your back? And that's true. That is how ducks and birds stay kind of dry in the rain and in the water. Don't dawdle, dear. Don't lag behind. Mr. and Mrs. Duck skipped ahead. They waddled, they shimmied, they hopped in all the puddles. Baby dawdled, she dallied and pouted and dragged behind. She sang a little song. I do not like the rain one bit, splashing down my neck. Baby feathers soaking wet. I do not like this mean old day. Are you singing? Called Mr. and Mrs. Duck. What a fine thing to do in the rain. Baby stopped singing. It looks like they might be to Grandpa's house. Grandpa was waiting at the front door. He put his arm around Baby. Wet feet? He asked. Yes, Baby said. Wet face? Grandpa asked. Yes, Baby said. Mud? Grandpa asked. Yes, Baby said. Mud, mud, mud. Does your grandma or grandpa make you feel better like that? When your parents are telling you not to drag behind? Does Grandpa give you a hug? I'm afraid the rain makes Baby cranky, clucked Mr. Duck. I've never heard of a duck who doesn't like rain, worried Mrs. Duck. Is that a fact? Grandpa kissed Baby's cheeks. Grandpa's house looks cozy, huh? Grandpa took Baby's hand. Come with me, Baby. They went upstairs to the attic. We are looking for a tall green bag, Grandpa said. Oh, good describing, Grandpa. Does anybody see what he's talking about? A tall green bag. Can you point to it? Yeah, I see it too. There it is. Tall green bag. What could be in there? What could be in there? see. Finally, they found it. Inside was a beautiful red umbrella. There were matching boots, too. These used to be your mother's, Grandpa whispered. A long time ago, she was a baby duck who did not like the rain. Baby opened the umbrella. The boots were just the right size. Baby and Grandpa marched downstairs. My boots, cried Mrs. Duck, and my bunny umbrella. No, mine, said Baby. You look lovely, said Mrs. Duck. Let's see, does that umbrella have a pattern? It looks like it does. Remember, a pattern repeats. And you're going to draw an umbrella today. I see a pattern of bunnies in a basket. And it repeats all around the umbrella. Some umbrellas have polka dots or stripes, or some are just solid. That means it's one color. Solid or patterned. Mr. Duck put a platter of pancakes on the table. After that, Baby and Grandpa went outside. That is a big stack of pancakes. Pit-a-pat, pit-a-pat, pit-a-pit-a-pat. Oh, the rain came down. It poured and poured. Baby Duck and Grandpa walked arm in arm in the rain. They waddled, they shimmied, they hopped in all the puddles. And Baby Duck sang a new song. I really like the rain a lot, splashing my umbrella. Big red boots on baby feet. I really love this rainy day. What a cute little guy. Do you like to splash in the puddles? Do you remember our last book? What questions they asked? Do you like mud? Do you like puddles? I hope you like umbrellas. You know how I remember that from the last book? Because Zach likes to read that book over and over and over again. So it's easy for me to remember. Do you think Baby Duck likes puddles? I think so. Do you think Baby Duck likes mud? Now that he's got his boots? Yeah. Do you think Baby Duck likes umbrellas? Definitely he looks happy. Or she, I think they said. Baby Duck, they called her she. The end. Hope you have a happy rainy day one of these days this week. Bye, friends.